Is your child's behavior driving you crazy? Are they defiant, disrespectful, or obnoxious with you?
This is your fault!
No one ever teaches you how to be a parent, and kids don't come with instruction manuals, until now. I'm James Lehman, creator of The Total Transformation, the program that helps you fix every behavior problem. Defiance, back-talking, lying, acting out in school, even problems with ADD and ADHD. There's no screaming, no fighting, no frustration.
In 1 month after doing this program, I saw huge changes in my son, and even the teacher noticed. I mean, it was great. I just felt like I've got my life back. I can breathe again because I know how to respond to my kids.
I've used the Total Transformation to solve even the worst behavior problems. I guarantee your child will listen to you again, and you'll get peace and sanity back in your home. Call now and get my bonus CD. Turn your child's attitude around in 1 minute or less, free with your order.